How to delete your search and watch history on the X app. This tutorial shows you how to clear that activity and limit how it's used to personalize your feed. First, open the X app on your Android device. From there, tap your profile icon at the top left to open the menu. After that, tap Settings and Support, then tap Settings and Privacy. At this point, tap Privacy and Safety. Following this, tap Content You See. From here, tap Search Settings. At this stage, turn off the toggle for Remove Blocked and Muted Accounts, then also turn off the toggle for Hide Sensitive Content. Following this, go back to the Privacy and Safety page to handle your watch history and ads activity next. From here, scroll down and tap Ads Preferences. At this stage, turn off Personalized Ads, which limits how much activity-based tracking is tied to your account. That's how you delete your search and watch history on X. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.